Okay, today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for homemade blueberry muffins. We're going to be making a homemade streusel crumb topping for these. I've made homemade muffins before, but not with the streusel topping on them. I've made the streusel topping on other things. So we're going to put them together, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. I will have the measurements on the screen as well as the recipe in the description box. You're going to need some all-purpose flour, some granulated sugar, an egg, some blueberries, baking powder, salt, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. So let me show you how we're going to do this. The first thing we're going to do is put our ingredients in our bowl. We're going to start with the dry ingredients. So I'm going to use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That's 1. And 1/4. And another 1/4. Then we're going to do 3/4 cup of sugar. This is 1/4 cup measuring, so we're going to do 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. We're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's 1 and 2. I'm going to whisk this up good. And we're going to put our wet ingredients together. Now in this bowl, I'm going to put 1 egg, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk, one half teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. There we go. I'm going to stir that right into our dry ingredients. Of course, I had to make a mess because that's what I do best. I'm going to mix our wet and dry ingredients together. It says you can add up to 3/4 cup of milk. That's pretty good. I'm going to add, this is 1 cup of blueberries. I did rinse these already. Sometimes they still have these little stems on them. I don't know when. I've not seen that in a long time. That's odd to me. Anyway, 1 cup of blueberries, and we're just going to fold those in. So we don't break up our blueberries. Okay. Now we're going to move our baking pan over here. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. I'm using my cookie scoop, and I'm going to put 2 scoops in each muffin cup because I want these to be pretty full. So I'm not sure how many that will make. But I want them to be good and full. We're going for that bakery look. A full muffin with a big crumb topping on it. These are going to be delicious. We're going to get 8 out of it, which is plenty. Now we're going to make our crumb topping, and we're going to make it right in this same bowl. Move our muffin tins over, and we're going to add our crumb topping to our muffins before we put them in the oven. For our streusel topping, we're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, okay. We're going to need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We're going to need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay. Go ahead and put the rest of that on there as well. We're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. And we're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right. Then we're going to use 6 tablespoons of cold butter cut into diced up. Put that right over in there. I'm going to use my biscuit cutter to cut that in. I meant my pastry blender. Use my biscuit cutter to cut this in. It says you want it to be like wet sand. Hand I'm using in there as well. So yeah, it's coming together good. See how you can see it's forming like wet sand. Move our muffins over here. And I'm gonna put some of this crumble right on top. And it says to bake them in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. I'll let you know how long it takes because I did feel these pretty full. So I'll let you know how long that takes. But yeah, I want these to be pretty big muffins over the top. And they may be too over the top. All right, this is what they look like. They're going in the oven, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, guys, they just came out of the oven. They baked for 20 minutes on 400 degrees temperature. Everything is done. The only thing here is this little crumble. Looks a little bit still dry, but I mean, I think it's fine. But yeah, those are some pretty muffins, aren't they? This is the bakery style blueberry muffins I made with the crumble topping. They turned out amazing. This is heavy. This is a heavy blueberry muffin, and it's not dense. It's heavy because I put extra filling in those cupcake liners and big old juicy blueberries that bust in your mouth that are so yummy. And then I made that crumble topping, and it was just so delicious. So I'm gonna eat one. But oh my, let me break it apart and show you what it looks like inside. Look at all those blueberries in there. And look how thick that crumble is on there. Man, these are amazing. You need to make this recipe.